Red dwarfs. Why are they the last light of the universe? Are they the last hope for humanity? Keep watching to know more. Before we proceed, just keep in mind that red dwarfs do not refer to a single kind of star. It is frequently applied to the coolest objects, including K and M dwarfs. That includes brown dwarfs. But let's not get confused, and just stick to one type of star. For the rest of the video, they are the most common and long-lived stars. Like any other main sequence star, their formation is pretty much similar. A cloud of dust and gas gets pulled together by gravity. The material clumps together at the center and starts rotating. After reaching enormous temperatures, a protostar is formed, and fusion begins at its core. Red dwarfs include the smallest of the stars, weighing between 0.07 to 0.6 the mass of our Sun. As their mass is very less, so is their luminosity. The reduced size also mean that they burn at a lower temperature, at about 3,500 Celsius. If they burn at a lower temperature, they exhaust their hydrogen fuel far less than other stars. I guess by now, you would probably know why. They could be our last hope for survival. Their lifetime can stretch up to trillions of years. So when we ever reach interstellar travel, and hope to expand our civilizations, red dwarfs will be our best bet. Considering they are not too hot, there could be many planets within its habitable zone, capable of sustaining life. More on that in a later video. As they are very dim, they are hard to spot, and even more harder to distinguish from a brown dwarf, as they look pretty much the same from Earth. Scientists usually measure temperatures on their surface to know what exactly they might be. Brown dwarfs tend to be more cooler than red dwarfs. They also detect the presence of molecules like methane or ammonia. These molecules can survive only on cooler surfaces, so it's less likely that red dwarfs will possess them. Red dwarf make up the largest population of stars in the galaxy and the universe. Scientists think that there may be 30 red dwarfs near Earth. A well-known star, Proxima Centauri, which is the closest star to Sun, happens to be a red dwarf. So I guess the most obvious star to look for planets that can sustain life will be this. That's it for this video. Check out our video on brown dwarfs to understand better, and let us know down in the comments if you think we can establish civilizations on other planets. Until then, universe elucidated.